Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our first lecture of physics. In this lecture, we will study about the basics of physics and the branches of physics. Before going into the physics, let us learn what is science. Science is basically the knowledge which is gained with the help of observation and the experiment. Science can be further classified into two main branches such as physical science and biological science. Physical science deals with the study of non-living things, whereas biological science deal with the study of living things. Now, what is physics? So physics is one of the major branch of a physical science. In physics, we study about matter, the energy, and their interaction. All the laws and the principles which we study in physics, they helps us to understand the natural phenomena. Now, let's move on to the branches of physics. So, the first important branch of physics is mechanics. It is the study of motion of the objects, the cause due to which this motion of the objects occur, and the effect caused by the movement of the object. This all comes under the mechanics. As you can see a figure here, this is a ball. So ball moves due to some cause, and definitely when it travels, it has some effect on it. And all of these things we study in mechanics. The next important branch of physics is heat. Heat basically deals with the nature of the heat, how the heat transfer from one object to the other object, and what are the effects of the heat. As you can see in this picture, this is a phenomena. There are multiple phenomena such as convection, conduction, and radiation. So these all are the concepts and the phenomena which are used in the heat. So heat is also a very important branch of physics. The next major branch of physics is sound. Sound deals with all the physical aspects of sound waves, like how the sound waves look like, the production of the sound waves, all their properties, and the applications involved in it. You can see the sound wave here. So all the physical properties and applications involved, they come under the branch which is known as sound. Light. Light is also an important branch of physics. It is the study of the physical aspects of light, the properties of light, how the light works, and the use of the optical instruments which are used to produce the light. As you can see in this picture, this is a fiber optical cable, and light passes through it, and it goes through several phenomena. So all these phenomena we study in the branch known as light. Electricity and magnetism. It is also an important and a very fundamental branch of physics. It is the study of charges which are at rest and in motion, the effects which are caused due to the movement of the charges, and their relationship with the magnetism. As you can see here, these are the coils, and around these coils the magnetic field is present, and due to this magnetic field the electric current produces. So all these phenomena we will study in the field of electricity and magnetism. Then the next important branch of physics is atomic physics. So atomic physics is basically deals with the study of the structure and the properties of the atoms, like how the atoms look like, what is the fundamental structure of atom, what are the basic important parts of the atom. All of these things we study in atomic physics. Then nuclear physics. The nuclear physics, it deals with the properties and behavior of the nucleus, which is the central part of our atom, and all the particles within this nucleus, such as electrons, protons, neutrons, quarks, gluons. So all of these things we study under the branch of nuclear physics. Then we have plasma physics. So plasma physics is basically the study of the production and the properties of this state of matter, which is known as plasma, and it is basically the ionic state of matter, which is also known as the fourth state of matter. And the last important branch of physics is geophysics. Geo means earth. In geophysics, we study about the internal structure of the earth. As you can see in this picture, the earth has an inner core as well, and the outside it has outer core and it has a mantle. So all of these are the branches of physics.